Jeez. Sorry, I almost...
Point it out. Like, you have your binder with you. I was like, yep. Yep, just in case. You never know when you're going to need this. Okay. We just really overreacted to that. Yeah. I don't know if it was. Oh, it was a rat. Yeah.
कन्ट्याक्ट छुट हुन्छ मेरो विचारमा देख्दैन कि क्या लामो मुजी गइरहेछ यहाँ गाडी ठोक्थ्यो रनमा यस्तै मुजी रहेछ देख्दैन
Anda pulang dia ni. Sekejap. Accident हो गया.
Ba naman ito? Kasalanan niya yan. Oh my God, is she on the wrong lane? Yeah.
That was funny.
Stupid fuck. Oh my God.
What?
Oh, shit. Well, he's just gonna drive away. Holy shit.
You right? That dude just broke the fucking wall.
He's gonna run like that. Oh my god.
And we should have Corey talk about what's on your charcuterie plate that I got you today.
Yeah, I was just going to ask him. I mean, we got several cheeses and cold charcuterie stuff. So tell us what. Yeah, I see the prosciutto.
Yes, yeah. So we have prosciutto. Prosciutto is coming out of Ponte Italy. It's 1 year in age. And then I also put on speck on there, which is a smoked prosciutto. So something maybe that you haven't tried before. Then we have some salami on there. A little capicola, and we have Cherry-Lola olives. We did 2 different types of pickled zucchini on there, house made, pickled red onion. We have our house mozzarella on there. That's
These guys are fucking pain in the ass.
We did the rosemary, golden raisin, focaccia.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's really good.
Thank you.
I can hear you chewing.
Yeah.
I know. Chewing. I know. What a pig I am. I know. I'm sorry.
DJ, I didn't get one of these. Only you have one of these, and I hope everyone who's stuck in traffic is sitting here thinking, "Oh my God, I want to go to Matucci's and get a plate right now."
Now, Ken, I thought you were indulging with us. Hey,
just a warning.
That's a shame.
Get up my ass, you fucking jerk ass.
For you,
I'll tell you what.
You
better fucking stop.
What's
Okay,
the secret
already.
to a good, I guess what they call it, the Sicilians call it gravy, a good red sauce. What's the secret?
Good red sauce. First of all,
Get off my fucking ass.
Italian, first and foremost.
Jesus Christ! You fucking asshole! You fucking asshole!